that I should be ashamed. I was obviously confused because I only say stuff I would do, and all my